Hey guys, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting the both of you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the above the wall oven. You're going to have, this is called a divider shelf. You'll have 8 dividers, 9 sections, and they'll be 3 inches apart. And those are great for your cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, anything that you want to stand up, even the roasting pots. Okay. Then we will go to the right side of your wall oven. And on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out that will fully extend. You have full clearance to pick everything up. And then the upper one, you also will have a 2 inch height glide out. We keep that shelf in there for support in case you lean on them or put up to 100 pounds of weight on it. And then underneath the cooktop, we'll go ahead and turn this into a drawer. And we did 3 dividers. And those dividers you can move to the left or to the right. And you can store all those utensils, knives, whatever you need. Then we will look to the right of that. And this is where you have your existing trash can. We'll go ahead and take that out. And we will do a 7 inch, which is so that there will be support so your trash can won't flip over. And we went ahead and did an undermount rail. So it'll be a soft close. So that will be a lot different than what you currently have. Then in here, we'll go ahead and do a Lazy Susan. They'll each turn around individually. These looks like they're going together, but they'll be separate. And we'll do a wood Lazy Susan there. And then the next area, this is where you have your Tupperware. We'll go ahead and do a 5 inch height glide out, and we'll put 1 divider, and as well as the upper, a 5 inch with 1 divider. So you can move these dividers around and you can push them against the wall, and you can stand up all your lids, your glass lids. And then to the right of that, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out and a 2.5 inch height glide out. Then we'll look over to the island area. So what we'll do is attach the bottom glide out. Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie. It was nice meeting the both of you today. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your new kitchen. So we'll start right above the wall oven. This is called a divider shelf. And we talked about you'll have 8 dividers, 9 sections. They'll be 3 inches apart, and you can take them out to make the openings larger. And this is great for cookie sheets, cutting boards, platters, roasting pots, whatever you need. And then to the right of that wall oven, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out, and then above it a 2.5 inch. And just as a reminder, we keep that shelf in there for support. So if you put 100 pounds of weight here or somebody leans on these, they will not flip over. Then we'll look underneath the cooktop. We'll turn this into a full depth drawer. And we went ahead and put 3 dividers in here. And these dividers, you can move to the left, to the right, or you could take them out. And this is great for you, all your utensils, knives, whatever you need to put in there, you can. And then we are going to replace your trash can. And when you open up the door, your trash can is going to come out with it. And we did a 7 inch so that your trash can won't flip over, and it will be a soft close. So when you close it, it will gradually just go in. And then this is your Lazy Susan. We'll go ahead and add 2 levels. They'll move individually. This one's just not showing it, but you'll be able to move them individually. And then we'll look over to the right of that Lazy Susan. And on the bottom, we'll do a 5 inch. And then upper, we'll do a 5 inch. And we went ahead and put a divider in each. So you can move this divider up here or this one down here, both of them up. And you can put this against the wall and you can stand up all your lids for your Corningware or Tupperware, your glass items. And then to the right of that, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch height glide out and a 2.5 inch glide out. Then we go to the island area, and to the left of the sink, we'll go ahead and attach the door. and you can put your bottles in here, and then we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch, and a 2.5 inch. So you'll lay those down, okay? So that is your Shelf Genie project. Just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. And you did the classic grade, which is a lifetime warranty. And I just want to say thank you for the business. It was nice chatting with you guys. And your house is beautiful. So enjoy it. All right. You take care and have a good night. Bye bye.